Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading newspaper article. This is our today article. Port economy will drive India's growth. PM. Maritime power. Prime Minister Narendra Modi with Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and Gautam Adani after the inaugurations of the Vizhinjam Seaport. Vizhinjam Seaport. Modi commissioned the Vizhinjam International Seaport in Kerala. The facility is India's first dedicated container transshipment port. The deep water multi-purpose port is being developed by Adani Group. Private sector participation has enhanced efficiency, say PM. Dinesh Kalungal, Thiruvananthapuram, coastal state and port city will become key growth center for developed India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Friday, speaking after commissioning the 8,800 crore rupees Vizhinjam International Deep Water multi-purpose seaport in Kerala, the capital. The center is committed to strengthening this channel of economic power to take the maritime sector to new heights, he said. The port economy reached its full potential when infrastructure and the ease of doing business are promoted together. Mr. Modi said nothing that this has been the blueprint of the central port and waterway policy over the last decade, underscoring the critical roles of the private sector. He said that thousands of crore had been invested through public-private partnership (PPP) over the past 10 years to upgrade India's port to global standard and make them future ready. With a natural deep draft of nearly 20 meters and located near one of the world's busiest sea trade routes, the new Vizhinjam port is expected to strengthen India's position in global trade, enhancing logistic efficiency and reducing reliance on foreign ports for cargo transshipment. The Vizhinjam facility is the country's first decided dedicated container transshipment port and was developed by Adani Port and Special Economic Zone Limited through a public-private partnership with the Kerala government. Nothing that private sector participation had driven innovation and enhanced efficiency. He said that even a state government headed by a communist regime in Kerala could find a private sector giant to be a trusted partner in a flagship infrastructure and development project. The PM also wondered whether two prominent India bloc leaders are sharing the dice with him. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and Congress MP Shashi Tharoor would cause discomfort in same quarter, reduce revenue loss, terming the Vizhinjam port as a symbol of new age development. The Prime Minister said that the capacity of this transshipment hub will triple in the coming year, enabling the smooth arrival of some of the world's largest cargo ships. He also pointed out that 75% of India's transshipment operations were previously conducted at foreign ports, leading to significant revenue loss for the country, stating that this situation is now set to change. He asserted that India's money would now serve India and the funds that once flow outside the country will generate new economic opportunity within the country. The union budget for the current financial year introduced a new policy to promote the construction of large ships in India, which will significantly boost the manufacturing sector. Nothing the growth of the shipping and port infrastructure in the last 10 years. Mr. Modi said that two Indian ports are now ranked among the world's top 30, while India has improved its position on the Logistic Performance Index and stands among the top 20 countries in global shipbuilding. India is also setting up a shipbuilding and repair cluster in Kochi. The Prime Minister said once completed, this cluster will create numerous new employment opportunity, providing Kerala's local talent and youth with a platform for growth, he said, beating the heat. The Greater Chennai Corporation is setting up sun shelter on Marine Beach for visitors to take cover from the searing summer heat. NMC order suspension of 26 MBBS student Bindu Sahajan Perepedan, New Delhi. The National Medical Commission had directed medical college and institutions to immediately suspend 26 MBBS students found complicity in the violation in a major crackdown on irregularity in the NEET UG 2024 examination. Additionally, admission of 14 other students for the academic year 2024-25 have been cancelled according to a senior official in the Union Health Minister. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thank you for watching. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.